Have you ever wished you could give your kidneys a break, even for a moment, from the constant pressure of filtering pollutants, medications, chemicals in food, and the inflammation that comes with daily stress? Most people in the United States don't realize that kidney strain builds silently for years before symptoms ever appear. But here's the good news. Gentle herbal teas can support your filtration system, help remove buildup, and reduce pressure on the kidneys without harsh detoxes or risky cleanses. I'm Dr. David, and in this video, you'll learn 3 science-backed herbal teas that help your kidneys release toxins naturally, plus a powerful nighttime circulation routine that amplifies their benefits. And I promise, you'll be shocked by the second tea because almost nobody realizes how protective it is. Stay with me until the end, because the bonus tip can change how your kidneys recover during sleep.
Number 1. Dandelion root tea. Dandelion root tea is one of the most quietly powerful kidney-supporting drinks you can add to your daily routine, and most people in the United States don't realize how effective this humble root can be. When your kidneys are tired, stressed, or dealing with hidden toxin buildup, even small habits can make a real difference, and this tea works gently but consistently. The root naturally contains compounds that help your kidneys increase urine flow in a controlled way, allowing the body to release wastes and trapped fluid without stripping away important minerals. One of the key compounds inside dandelion root is called taraxasterol, a plant nutrient that encourages healthy filtration and helps the kidneys stay active throughout the day. What makes this tea especially helpful for seniors is its natural supply of potassium, which supports nerve signals and smooth muscle movements in the bladder. This means your urinary system can relax, pressure can decrease, and flow becomes more comfortable, something many older adults silently struggle with. Whole dandelion root pieces also contain a special type of fiber called inulin, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Modern research shows that when gut health improves, kidney inflammation decreases because both organs communicate through chemical pathways that control swelling and toxin buildup. Dandelion root even carries antioxidants like chlorogenic acid that help protect the nephrons, the microscopic filters in your kidneys that decide what your body needs to keep and what it needs to remove. Seniors often deal with fatigue, blood pressure changes, and slower digestion, and the natural minerals in this tea, such as iron, magnesium, and potassium, can support energy, circulation, and gentle detox at the same time. Drinking 1 cup in the late morning works best because it gives the kidneys time to filter waste during the busy hours of the day, rather than late at night when sleep is most important. Many Americans enjoy turning dandelion root tea into a caffeine-free coffee substitute by steeping roasted dandelion in hot water and adding a splash of unsweetened almond milk. This is especially helpful for people whose kidneys become irritated by coffee's dehydrating effect. If you prefer cooler drinks, a chilled version with mint leaves can soothe the bladder and reduce irritation. Choosing a good quality product matters. Always look for organic dandelion root only, not blends with stems or leaves, because the root is what directly benefits the kidneys. Seniors taking prescription water pills, lithium, or potassium-sparing medications should talk with a healthcare provider first, simply because dandelion root increases urine production and could strengthen the effects of those medicines. People with ragweed allergies should also be cautious. When used correctly and stored in a dark, dry place to protect its natural compounds, dandelion root tea becomes a simple daily habit that supports fluid balance, helps the liver and kidneys work together, and provides steady, gentle detox in a way that feels natural rather than harsh. For many seniors, this one change becomes a long-term protective step that helps them stay energetic, reduce bloating, and feel lighter throughout the day.
Number 2. Nettle leaf tea. Nettle leaf tea is one of the oldest herbal remedies used for kidney support, and today many seniors in the USA are turning back to it because it offers gentle but powerful benefits without the harsh effects that come from many modern supplements. When steeped into a warm tea, nettle leaves release natural plant compounds that encourage your kidneys to produce slightly more urine in a healthy, controlled way. This extra urine production helps your body get rid of waste materials that often build up silently, things like extra sodium, trapped fluid, uric acid, and everyday toxins that come from food, medicines, and stress. For many seniors, these wastes build up slowly over time, leading to swelling in the feet and ankles, feeling heavy or sluggish, or waking up with puffiness around the eyes. Nettle leaf tea helps reduce this burden by supporting your kidneys' natural cleansing cycle, allowing them to work more comfortably instead of fighting against constant pressure and inflammation. What makes nettle especially valuable for kidney health is its anti-inflammatory nature. Most seniors are unaware that kidney damage often starts with ongoing internal inflammation caused by high blood sugar, high blood pressure, smoking, processed foods, and certain medications. This inflammation creates microscopic irritation inside the kidneys, gradually weakening their filters. The antioxidants and plant nutrients in nettle leaf act like a calming shield, soothing this inflammation and protecting kidney cells from further harm. This is why many people with early-stage kidney issues or those trying to protect their remaining kidney function use nettle leaf tea as part of their daily routine. It does not cure kidney disease, but it helps slow the ongoing stress that leads to faster decline. Nettle leaf tea also contains natural minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and iron. These aren't in extremely high amounts, but they are present in gentle, body-friendly levels that support energy, muscle function, and circulation. This is particularly useful for seniors who often deal with fatigue, leg cramps, or mild iron deficiency. Unlike synthetic supplements, which can sometimes overwhelm the kidneys, nettle provides these minerals in a softer, more absorbable form that your body can use without strain. Another reason nettle leaf tea is widely recommended for seniors is because it supports healthier blood pressure levels indirectly. When your body holds on to too much fluid, your heart has to work harder and your blood pressure rises. By helping the kidneys release extra fluid, nettle leaf tea may naturally support better pressure control. This helps protect the kidneys further because high blood pressure is one of the biggest silent causes of kidney decline in older adults. Most seniors can safely drink 1 cup per day, ideally in the morning or early afternoon. The warmth of the tea also helps improve circulation and digestion, making it a comforting part of a daily wellness routine. However, because nettle slightly increases urine output and may have a mild blood-thinning effect, seniors taking blood thinners, diuretics, or blood pressure medications should speak with their healthcare provider first. When used correctly, nettle leaf tea becomes a gentle, natural, and highly supportive tool that helps seniors maintain clearer kidneys, healthier fluid balance, reduced inflammation, and better overall well-being, without feeling overwhelmed, confused, or worried about complicated regimens. Before we move on, take a moment and comment below. What kidney concern are you dealing with right now? Stones? Swelling? High creatinine? Blood pressure? Your comment helps me understand how to create better videos for you. And if this video is already helping you, type 1. If you want deeper clarity, type 0. I read every comment.
Number 3. Hibiscus Tea. Hibiscus tea is one of the most powerful natural drinks seniors in the USA can use to support their kidneys, especially if they are dealing with high blood pressure, borderline creatinine levels, swelling in the legs, or early signs of kidney strain. When hibiscus flowers are steeped in hot water, they release a deep red pigment filled with natural plant acids and antioxidants that work together to protect and support the kidneys in several different ways. One of the biggest benefits for seniors is hibiscus tea's ability to gently lower high blood pressure, which is one of the top reasons kidney function declines with age. Many older adults don't feel their blood pressure rising because it happens slowly and without symptoms, but hibiscus helps by relaxing and widening the blood vessels, making it easier for the heart to pump blood. When pressure inside the arteries becomes smoother and gentler, the tiny kidney filters are protected from long-term stress, giving them a better chance to function for years instead of breaking down early. Hibiscus tea is also a natural diuretic, meaning it helps the body release extra water and sodium through urine in a controlled, gentle way. This is extremely helpful for seniors who wake up with swollen ankles, puffy eyes, or a heavy feeling in their legs, often caused by fluid retention or excess sodium trapped in the body. By helping the kidneys flush out this extra fluid, hibiscus can reduce swelling,
support smoother circulation, and even help lower the workload on the heart. Many seniors report feeling lighter, less bloated, and more comfortable throughout the day simply because their kidneys are able to clear waste more efficiently. Another major strength of hibiscus tea is its extraordinary antioxidant content, especially anthocyanins, the same protective compounds found in berries. These antioxidants help shield the kidneys from slow, silent damage caused by oxidative stress. Seniors often experience oxidative stress from diabetes, high blood pressure, years of medication use, smoking history, dehydration, or simply aging itself. Hibiscus antioxidants act like tiny repair workers, calming inflammation and preventing small injuries to the kidney tissues from turning into long-term problems. This protective effect is extremely important because most kidney damage happens gradually and goes unnoticed until creatinine levels rise, and by then, the kidneys have already lost a significant amount of function. Hibiscus tea gives the kidneys a fighting chance by reducing this daily internal wear and tear. Hibiscus also supports metabolic health by gently assisting the liver with detoxification. When the liver functions better, the kidneys don't have to work as hard to clean the blood. Together, these two organs form the body's natural purification team, and hibiscus tea helps both operate more efficiently. Seniors who drink hibiscus regularly often describe feeling clearer, more energized, and less sluggish simply because their internal filter system is working more effectively. 1 cup of hibiscus tea a day is usually enough for most seniors, and its naturally tangy, berry-like flavor makes it enjoyable without needing added sugar. However, because hibiscus can lower blood pressure and slightly reduce blood sugar, seniors who take medications for hypertension or diabetes should monitor their levels and talk to their doctor if adjustments are needed. When used mindfully, hibiscus tea becomes a soothing, refreshing, blood pressure-friendly, kidney-protective drink that offers long-term benefits without the complications of pills or heavy supplements. It helps seniors feel lighter, reduces fluid buildup, protects kidney cells from inflammation, supports healthier filtration, and gives the body a gentle daily detox, all from a simple cup of red herbal tea.
Bonus kidney-saving strategy. Beyond drinking herbal teas, one of the most effective ways seniors in the USA can protect their kidneys is by combining smart hydration habits with gentle evening stretches that improve circulation to the kidney region while supporting the body's natural detox rhythm. Many older adults do not realize that the kidneys work hardest at night while the body is in repair mode, filtering out toxins accumulated throughout the day. However, prolonged sitting, tight hips, or stiffness in the lower back can reduce blood flow to the kidneys, slowing their filtration and making it harder for the body to remove waste efficiently. Simple movements such as the cat-cow stretch, which gently arches and rounds the spine, and hip flexor stretches that open up the lower body, can significantly improve blood flow to the kidneys. This increased circulation allows oxygen and nutrients to reach the nephrons, the tiny filters inside the kidneys, helping them remove waste and maintain healthy fluid balance. Even slow, deep belly breathing during these stretches can massage the kidney area internally, encourage lymphatic drainage, and calm the nervous system, which further supports kidney function. Pairing these movements with a mindful hydration strategy, drinking water steadily throughout the day, especially in the morning and early afternoon, and reducing intake in the 2 hours before bedtime, ensures the kidneys are actively filtering when the body is awake, but not overburdened at night. This approach also helps reduce nighttime bathroom trips, which can disturb sleep and increase fatigue, something many seniors struggle with. Over time, this combined routine of gentle stretching, diaphragmatic breathing, and timed hydration supports natural detoxification, decreases swelling in the feet and hands, and improves overall energy and comfort. Seniors who consistently follow this practice often notice their bodies feel lighter in the morning, their urine appears clearer, and they experience less bloating,
demonstrating that even small adjustments to circulation and hydration can profoundly improve kidney efficiency, protect against long-term decline, and maintain overall health without the need for medication or invasive treatments.
Final takeaway. By now, you've learned how 3 simple, natural habits can make a real difference in protecting and supporting your kidneys every single day. Starting with dandelion root tea, this gentle, earthy drink helps your kidneys flush out toxins while keeping essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron balanced. It also supports healthy bladder function, nerve signaling, and even the gut, which communicates directly with the kidneys to reduce inflammation and improve overall detoxification. Next, nettle leaf tea works quietly but effectively to reduce swelling, remove excess uric acid, and calm inflammation inside the urinary tract. Its natural antioxidants, plant compounds, and minerals provide seniors with gentle support for circulation, energy, and overall kidney filtration. Then there's hibiscus tea, a bright, refreshing option packed with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, which protect kidney filters from oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and help maintain healthy blood pressure, one of the most important factors for long-term kidney health. Finally, the bonus kidney-saving strategy combines mindful hydration throughout the day with gentle evening stretches that increase blood flow to the kidneys, support oxygen delivery to the nephrons, and encourage natural detox while improving circulation and reducing fluid retention. Together, these 4 habits create a complete natural kidney support routine that seniors can use safely at home to feel lighter, more energized, and confident in their kidney health. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more kidney and diabetes health tips. Give this video a like to show it matters, and leave a comment with the word cleanse if you're ready to take better care of your kidneys. Sharing this video with friends or family who may benefit from these natural strategies can help others protect their kidney health too. Small, consistent actions add up to big results, and your kidneys will thank you for every mindful choice you make today.